all my other brothers, comrades that were there yesterday to help with the press conference.
Very well.
Press conference, I am pretty sure. Say, Ghana for breaking news. Now, say breaking news, na me say, abai say, Emma omoma obia enyani free Ghana ha. Na enkoye Ken Ofori Atta afeni ye kwa hwe no. Because mati say binu person mu dwane. Enu akwa bi be frame ka che me say gari ni ma ku say why na adwi so person dwane. I'm not so sure. So be dwane. But it is better say abai prevent say gari no be dwane than to think say odwane kura be kwa akwache no. Ebi ani say Ken Ofori Atta your friend say Interpol red alert achina the family ababe jina say omo pacha na kan yare na ho o yes kan mo hunya sa me ka che Ghana for say yare o wi e kwa mo sa be ka che say ya kasa kwa ya be fo ma
very well
me wa etimesre ma aban e ma na nyansa no ababe jina bonti asa ka che Ghana for say ohu yanka.
Thank you.
Nti sa over 18.2
18.2 in 5 years.
18.2 billion. 5 years sika KGF wa crew no with the average figure of 10 million a day. Saska we about 3 billion na ye kwahwe no. Ebo sika Sammy Gyamfi anya within how many
for good board
months good board no. Enti obi anyere ne ho na yenteta kromfo no ne enchi omo.
Thank you. Live for the crowd 100.5 FM. Mr. Well.
Yeah, me did 1 CD and crowd no. You be send more Ghana. And then best na watch and then na watch. Na mete CTV. Then yeah discussions be. And akoba say there was discussions na yeah no. Me de ehon sensem bi ebepie bedwam na for the past me sure me nka be bosomme emu ana na wotwe miensam ni no na enipakuo bi abomi punu mu na saying yes we for do so we ni nyina nti no na ama memre aye tia kakra e wo bibia ho ti na me nimre ada me hia wo mo no na chese e wo say by force me ni o mo tenase because o ma frame me wo phone so and me hia o mo ntimi hia o mo ti me be studio say ya na me ka che o mo say okay o mo hia me wa ha na ade kro o mo so o mo ntimi kan wo phone so no o mo me kan kire me wo studio reception enti Michelle wono no mo ye emabuna omo ye adwuma wo NLA eno mo de ensem ni nyina sabio me bo hu deroi egu meni enti me bo hu wakakra bi ewa afidie so san se nsema na omo ka no se owo marketing background very easy to understand and know who is wrong and what is wrong. Enti ema me imagine say me bo omachidom ama omaka omasem na we na me ni omo tena se no omo ma ne da dipe fe say e sense omo ya adwuma wo ho na omo ni ekitaafo ewa adwuma mu honti no ombe sese mia medane omo kasamafo na ensemu a omo edi abedan me no mabohu de rama amansan aiden ati enti me ka che omo se me nka asem wabra mi ni nyina so na me pese me nya nyina so na magina omo nyina so ne so edi aka asem no anche eno mo ko fa nkrata enena me kenkan nti aba mitirim nti meja nkrata ne bebre eja o chere ni di ese unamwa o fa krata anya hwe ese ebi owa afi na wo gada na wo church ti e fa na dodo na agutrim e na omode nkrata ne bae enti me bo ho wa kakra bi em se sada no kra na ati adwam e na wo ka kire me se wo kra no wo interest e wo contractor ana contragia NL any KGL asensan enti wo be pese dako ye be domu asuko
wo dozia
enti wo kan ye no e na me ye se na je se nyame nko e na ade yi e da me na so de a ene akoye amansan ade adwuma nso so no emperifo se tika kire bokro na so nya tika kire bia na bokro ebi makro yi nti na beri bi ho a me si yense sano nti ye bo ho wawie ye no ese anadwo be no nwotwe ne fa kononkno ana abrantie bi enso be frame me to frame na me si oso ye adwuma wo KGL. I can say it because I don't think there is any fear. Nidina be a memo. No, yes, say, opening as men all can already you see. Me wo ho sem bebreka. Na me pese wodi wani coach a we see ebeba be hwade. Enti me mana konya sanse na me pe broni kan further and better particulars ena me de shase na me ni omu shase di ngita ho enti asema me kan no ho fa bi free KGL ho a ono ankasa na wo ye bukata aban bukata no ena bi nso free NL a omu no edane omu tumi ede ma KGL no ewo ade anyemra kwan so omufa akwati kwan so dane omutumi ma no nana mesha se free de ebae free se Akufo Addo we ne aba 2017 a obeye mampani eye 2017 no ena adwumaku a efre ne NL omo pawo obi a obeda no pani kwankyerefo a yefre no osei kofi osei Aremeyaw kane no ye esujaman member of parliament enti opawo no ene ko ba se won hwe NL adwuma no won tutu ni yie na yenyina yenim enema bi o wa yenim asem de kofi osei Aremeyaw de eye NL ye ma eduru baabi wono ankasa ni PR no mu ano no mo ye adwuma de ono ane ho nsem beto obedwam ma Ghana fo nyina hu se na ekoso enti ye da wubo kasa na ye kan da bia se Akufo Addo ba wa ba ban mu no ye frade bi state capture na obekai a ada Akufo Addo so kuna afna mu so aye ba ban mu no sada na ana obi interview me I will go there gold radio gold okay and this kasa no amanfo ma ne ko echi kura na me kan say owifo wo ma ade se obewia na wakum na wasai okay na menina so party ni say if you da Akufo Addo from 2007 of our party NPP no well for party ni bibia ye say ne dia every party no eye party ni do so woni ne nuanom gabby asante darko ne Ken Ofori Atta etimi na enya me nwanwa da say omo bana omo ba no eye adwenbone ne wo mutirim because obi a waka NPP bi anim say Ken Ofori Atta etimi de NPP headquarters a eye president Akufo na de chair party no wodi ko si a wo waji sika wo Prudential Bank powerful konum ko kan ye no e no si obeyi omadi ampani apa wo yi omadi e free party nim entina minim say owo template a wo pese wo di bu man no na sa template no wo pese o di make sure say baby bia o man sika fa bia no wo no be privatize o man ni sika sem na afei ade aye public fund no aba be private fund enti with that in mind no me imagine say me do mu asuko e wo bibi bia o mo be ye wo man we mu enti state capture the am say me the first person ada wo mo e sha ase o mo e de port Ghana Port and Harbour Authority ade ema adwumakuo bi a sa adwumakuo no obia nim se adwumakuo na omode saa we ne ma no oni saa hoden ni tumi obetimi de aye saa adwuma wo temaport no wo mo gi adwuma ni free GC net a ono no aban wo shares wom ade ma eye negdanso obekai a Unipass ene Icoms obekai ema eno mi yehu dede yehu petition Akufo Addo wa fi mi krada eno mo dan ma no osafuma afo ne nkofo
Icoms operate
Icoms enye adwuma e wo potwo enye adwuma eye di omo aya ne se di ombe ya make sure say ekwan bia so obehu se mi ka say se mi bribe bo a oba be bribe me se mi nya aka
nim the internet ka anyways
enye adwuma hu
come we expose be a master tie
o be pese member obi na ba mo afre sisi
no what can
member afre no enye adwuma ena adwuma ne so a wadigi ni nyina port adwuma na wadigi nya abo ne ho so no onimu ye ena wage ne oye ena we be ba ho one day ye ntwen ne ye nko NL nim enti o ma capture state na ma enwuma ku a eye o man dia na nkakane Mampani John Mahama ewa bemu ne first term no na obi anim sa adwumakuo we nya mfaso no afei na adwumakuo no eboka enti we na eye ma adwe se da bi state capture there Saudi beko ba bi a enye Ghana your friends say National Lotteries Authority because NL na esi wo no afia pema hankunu aduonum nwotwe 1958 ana Kwame Nkrumah ekofa loto eba Ghana no de ba se ye twa loto no di agro ni nyina no na oman nu nya sika esan se internationally obi bia onim loto nsensem bia nim se loto ana aboama sebi aman bebre nya sika pa ena me no ka say America omutwa loto American lottery ayade a sika omudi nya no sebi omo pone ho ketua bi di magana ni yebo ye se momo enu nti no loto ya ade a ewiase we mu no se wo ho a sebi utwa loto na se bi a unim loto ho sensem a eya marketing sika wom ewiase e wo bibia wo wiase bia is about marketing enti me no me marketer by profession omo ni mi di nkita ho no ena mebusa say e dey na esi wo NL ena omo say time of COVID buy no okay say that time no almost 30 a lot of your friend is state capture ne pa ena omo di adwumakuo bi ana waba eye NL ho and Aremeyaw e de ade bi a friend no Lucky 3 aba na Lucky 3 no omo de buy no na de omudi be nyina ne say private lotto your friend say marketing company no wo de wo product ba e ko NL the ko NL ho na NL no ato tio age wo product no na wo na we marketer no na wa ma wo kwan say afi wo betimi akwa akoton se de no na me ye mfato ho say te se de na mo bobo wa ha obi timi we ne 1,500 2,000 3,000 eye platform amomu na momo short code no eye modia we mum dia mo ye ne say mo de ma etiefo say obi entwa ebi a 5 cedis 10 cedis 20 cedis enti so otwa wi a edia nipa ba ku mienu miensa bi bedi odia de obedi no odia na afei yede ni sika yede ama no na wo mo mandi no na mo aka che o say oh better luck what next time sana loto tie
tie dodo sika
it is insurance it is cooperative enti eye dodo ade enoboa enye da bia na se bi ukotwa insurance a wo ka bepem enti de ne ka bepem no obi a wo twa insurance no na ono so yede ni sika ni bi aboa no with the hope so next time ono so ka akopem a na insurance for na yeden aboa no nti sa na insurance ye no nti sa na loto tie wo a wo bedi ne no na atwa de we ni de no na ya wishing a good luck next time better luck next time nti ye yemra asoman after say nkromadi loto ba ya na ye friend no Department of National Lotteries no ye yemra in 2006 Emma tumia na ekura loto for ewo Ghana ha no afeye ma tumi ni mu piye ema emra no ebe ye emra kunyini eno na ebo loto ho ebra
okay
na ebo loto ho bra no ena emra ni mu no ye hye say apart from National Lotteries Authority no nipa ba ko pe anase adwumakuo bia ni hodomo a owo tumi se obetimi etwa loto wabra emfri eneli
ti otudako me ne ho tumi
se wo ankasa
mesi anama bome sese bi se aha na metwa loto abra eneli
enim hu bi yes enti omo ye se emra no ebema eneli no aye the only institution e Ghana ha wono pe eno obehwe loto sensem so na watimi ama akwanya se kotwa loto na akwanya no so nya se wode ma se wo kotwa loto na first cash obotom wo kotwa loto na emu sika wo benya no wo de bekwa akoma eye NLA sika eni coupons na wo de call ye no ukoton no NLA ekoton ye no etifani say bia ukoton coupons be 100 if NLA as an LMC on tododo so we turn across the country because LMC bia no we travel to across the country.
That's right.
The LMC no ye lotto marketing companies enti no omo no high agents no omo secure samomo etumo so be ko ebia kejetia na ebia mekan alpha lotto wo ho ebia asare original pay all we wo ho na omo nyina omo asalai enti dia wo pe no no wakojina ni lotto kiosk no watwa saa ye nyina yesuso nyina ye nim se lotto ni yetwa no enti ukotwa anasa ukofa coupons ana ukoto coupons 100 now to chema agents now ba na bia ye to 50 aka 50 50 na ye to ye no and 50 na ya nto no ubebu 50 ni ho de to ye no nkonta ene de ya nto ni ho nkonta de sika ne ni bibia ma NLA na NLA ebubo aba ni wie a mu close wie no mo bubo aba ni wie a na omo na tia eye omo mawe no ka NLA
ano no ye mra ano no ye convention sa no mo ye no
eye mra mu na me kan bibia me ka bia e wo NLA act nim act 722
but in case afi na adwene ya na NAPO list wo ha wo susu se eniema bi nkoso yi wo NLA because there is some state capture and no ye home press conference a odin kyerɛ mu guso eba nti join yen obeti ase bacho
enti emra no e kyerɛ se wo ye obi a wo ye license marketing company a wudwumadie na wo bedie no so license marketing company section 5 also the board of the authority shall license lotto marketing companies for the distribution and sales of coupons and for other purposes that the board considers appropriate. Other purposes that the board considers appropriate. And section 5, subsection 2, they say, the license of a lotto marketing company shall be for a period that the board shall determine or consider appropriate. So we are application for lotto marketing license. Ninja bibia or emrana chile bibia a license marketing company. Now, baby, you people pa.
Hana semno. Okay.
O say, DNT botai benti yete a national lottery authority. The objects of national lotto.
Okay.
And I say objectives, no.
Okay.
It's all the object.
Oh, very well.
Section 2, subsection 1, they say.
I think the national may have made a mistake there.
What say?
Maybe they may have made a mistake. The objective.
No, it's an object.
The object as an entity.
Yes, the object of.
Okay, very well.
It's not the objectives.
Okay.
The objects of National Lotto National Lotto.
Okay.
And I'll say the National Lotto shall be conducted for the purpose of raising revenue for the nation and for other purposes stated in this act. Tio, Omunim se Lotto na Yeka Wagana Hano and Faso Waso and Untino. Then 3. There shall be conduct as part of the operation of National Lotto, a lottery with the object of providing care and protection for the physically and mentally affected, affected, the needy, the aged, orphans, and destitute.
I'm sure it goes on and on and on. Now, what is the link with KGL?
KGL, they say.
Yes.
KGL, Jumana, or Yeno.
Yes.
Emra Weno, I say, Ghana National Lottery Authority pen. And now what to me say or conduct lotto.
Okay. Send your kind.
Sesi ameno ka say. KGL air conducting lotto Ghana. And why yes sir for 5 years.
Nti eno na me pese hanu educating kakra.
Me tie.
Mentia say because you nkrofo bebre twetwa lotto okurum. Ebi omo ndi KGL, baby omo di NOD. Almost kwa kromu akaso twaloto amutwa bi ma. How different are they from KGL? Almost the same thing and almost the any different, huh?
Okay.
Person chere me hona sena.
Who say almost sign contract na ma KGL no. Ghana our flagship product be a friend of 590.
Okay.
Eno na tete no na omo ye advert bi go be kaya. At some time, no more. Yeah, why is the little doctor not rich?
Some say he's anyway. Debbie, I'm at now. No cross advert. He's dead. He's dead.
Is he late?
Hey, I'm sorry.
I'm not sure. He's not late.
They should forgive me.
I'm not sure if he's not. But I don't. I've forgotten his name, but he's not.
Actor.
Yeah. Now, your friend is saying.
Some say he's late.
He's not. I'm not sure.
Please forgive me if he's not. I'm sorry.
So let's pray that he's not, so that he doesn't die. Sir advert na mo ye no na ye no ye twa loto no Saturday e kire no mo di midweek bi ba ye no kra no na ye nkofofo dia but de na ye
Saturday don't friend on national
lottery no national lotto na nkasa no
but Saturday then the national
national no e no ye NLA for flagship product
and 590 no
na ho na me kire mu say dentia aban no mra no wo ye license lotto marketing companies no
okay
because aban no empese or the hassle of say ono ankasa ebie lotto kiosk Akoto lotto no na wono ankasa awiasa abebo no on pesa obe meje sa 2 powers no because the probability say obi beka say lotto mi be twa no nya say na me kan no ewo ho na mom do the license marketing companies na say ma private entities ni bia bamu send your beya or mono beko cotton abani products. Anyone one casa crampus or more product no the beko koma NLA. Na NLA no ma wa ho kwan se obetimi aton. Na mom process na be ba na nya wo dia. NLA dia no ma commission.
Okay.
And which is a marketing company because you are a market.
Times no. Me wo fa say na otwa bi omutimi ka say e koklusi ama this entity or no ba koklusi e wo national.
Exactly. Entisa entity na wo koklusu ama no.
Yeah.
Ono na lotto marketing company no.
No na koklusi.
Ti wo fa no agent.
I na mo fa ni agent.
Ti agent no koklusu ma lotto marketing company na. Na lotto marketing company no de ne hu process ne coupons se kai de auto ni nyina duplicates ne dia NLA
na NLA ehwe
na NLA hwe ni buku mu no amati bibia pepepe
ya ma book 100 waton 50 aka 50 50 na auto ni duplicates ni dia one timi anton so anu ni ya bia hu se wonton bi enti sika wo ton en so nya ewe na dia ba enti sa sika na ya bobɔ number ni wie na ebia unipa 100 na we ni ya 100 no yen NLA no ye betua omoka. Okay.
Na usika no
from sikana de
buy no usika na de buy no ohamu nchichemu du na ya pega na de amount tisi ye tua woka atua omo we ne ye ka na aban edidi aka na kwakoto ono ni fituom.
Okay, of course that has been the convention all along.
Enu na omo ba Akufo Addo no ba ma me ya no say NLA na Sammy ukubedi na ade no. Me betina o studio ha. Ena me can say there is always a difference between NPP lawyer ni and NDC lawyer ni. Na NPP lawyer ni no or you be a unim judge unimumra. Inti si yenko tua bribe on judgment you betimi aye. But say yenko kamra power court there wabon unim. Ema me chire mu ka say obi bia wo say o NPP ni e lawyer ni bia no. Either say what certificate no and now say a kwan of fast so nya certificate no nya mra no nim na ade bi si na no ewo mrahye bedwam oh sa minua kuma a o ye tafo MP no Vincent Ekwa Asefua
that useless guy
you see Mugabe
but tafo pankro no akwenya
don't forget say you are one of the people that made him ewo muntie
yes I remember
he used to come there now when your lawyer ni say SI MP na mesre say o MCR for kombe boaen na yahwe de ntia sa bre na make say MPP lawyer ni onimra onim judge no na yahwe de ntia ene omoni abi otokonu asem ho they only know the judges they don't know anything law. They don't know anything law. NPP lawyer ni bi onim law. They go for the lawyer mumwa. Late Sheshe.
Yeah.
Okojina court. Where did you come from to go to Kolebu? Is that an English? That a lawyer should speak.
Can we listen to this one?
Can I be your lawyer? You can please.
Can we
with your
listen?
permission. With your permission.
This
I
one
would want to confirm from you, and maybe for purposes of education, you indicated to us that the national security secured a search warrant. May you educate me the scope of the search warrant, if it is inclusive of searching phrases of persons, if it is inclusive of searching phrases of persons. I want to understand the scope of such a search. Thank you.
Your question is whether or not the search warrant includes searching what? But if you are a lawyer, you've seen a search warrant before. Does the search warrant specify that you search the pocket or what?
Mr. Speaker, I think this is unfair. Mr. Speaker, it's a direct question that is addressed to the minister. I want to understand the scope, the particular search warrant that he got. Is it inclusive of these certain phrases of persons? That is the question I'm asking. So you should just let me know that maybe if you just
that is why you see Honorable Asafua, if this question were to be coming from a non-lawyer, but you have seen a copy of a search warrant before. If a warrant is issued to search your house, the warrant will not specify whether they should search pocket of all your searches, your pocket, your fridge, your kitchen, or that the content of the warrant. Please, if you have another question, ask.
Saba me kwa ebenya speaker papa say papa ye dey kia ma ogum memre bi atu we too much first deputy
no, you see
no apply
ogum na me support no yeah what see the reason why I always say this is because in the past now sebi say NPP much of an account based party and sebi obi wo first degree kura na ebi a onru ba bia wadesua mu a odi tu ne ho papa enti no ubeka ya kan ne say NPP NMD4 party meboa exactly na NDC for the mole look until I got closer to the NDC na minim say civis we be e Ghana ha because there be America and I reference with the woman the professor. There is none like Professor Jena Nopokwajima in this country. There is nobody like her. Number one. Even in Africa, it's a difficulty to find her kind. In Africa,
our vice president
with 8 masters, 4 doctorates, there is none. Wow. And 8 master's degrees, 4 doctorates, a professor, first woman vice chancellor. There is none in this country.
When he says
there is none like her. Look, when you want to discuss lawyers in Ghana, the lawyers that have been called to bar are members of the Ghana Bar Association. The best lawyers in Ghana, they are all NDC lawyers. Menka omo ni judge you, ko twa Bible. Now we dey list Gary ni maku ye lawyer ni e wo Ghana ha. Now we dey woni apia kubi entokwa no. Lawyer ni ya chi obi ya chi wuntumi e de natum sika say na ya chi no a ehoho a ya chi no wo $55 million ho yes sika no dia wasa ne sirem e na yokofo ate ne say ya rehwem plus cars awakọ wia e wo Canada e ne America e na yesi okay yesi emremu no lawyer Martin Pebu akogina mremu say yema obi bia waye boni bia enya tumi a obetimi agina so dia pre bail enunti no every offense is bailable enti yebema ni bail name satisfy these conditions see so ultimi ma emremu so ultimi ma obi a owo ejapade a anu yebetimi agina so a ye 50 million Ghana cedis a yebe jao enya se jao se fa hudi o nemom ya mawo ahome se wo betimi akofie na ye frewo mo wa ba ya betoto ano 50 million Ghana cedis no se enekrampo at the prevailing rate se ye se dollar no $55 million no ye de ko eye Ghana sika mu a is over 550 million Ghana cedis. Yan kase for 550 million Ghana cedis bra. Yan se for 50 million bra as surety. Na lawyer onu eye obi a watena emremu ache a oye senior at the bar apia kubi. Ena eye wuntumi lawyer. Na gari ni maku free ya o se me de sa de we ya yokofo ye. Lawyer wa bonu no ene me court. Me court akoye de ya me vary 50 million no say omonte so manemra from sika ye kano without the consent of the client. Yes, client na ma to me no wakwa file because onim say onim judge bi ya judge ne so ye ebi a obetimi aboa omo no he say anya wu ne judge na wo judge a wo pe ene be di asem no eti wi ase no na affair wo so call withdraw because when tie penia no when tie peni nyansa eno de koye sa ehudukasem no ebi ase wuntu wanem wodamu efiada edamu memenda damu kwasiada edwoada ansa na nyankopon ye na adoma najo so lawyer abon
how many years ni when ni yire aduane for how many days?
5 days.
Nice.
Until the man for
me say when ni yire aduane for how many days?
5 days.
Thank you.
It is a make NPP lawyer ni abon a Omunyina minyu otwe nyadwa o. Omunyina MPP na Gary ni magwasha wakabwo fam wate da.
Gabby you good.
Gary na me the doctor for court. On na be gina mama doctor for no. O si me me busy body. Hwe afenyo makin wa lawyer ni. Se ni so a wo su nyina ne se. Court obelu su case no. Because a whole year kwa law wo ho. Kan no first no court no. Yes. First no court a. Enye mra no koka onim judge no. Enti ye se ni so a wo su nyina ne se ye enti tokonu be kwa ma me kwa akoka ma asem se ni. Justin Kodua oye lawyer ni. We oye lawyer ni. Nana B oye lawyer ni. Obribuan lawyer ni. Abronye
Obribuan dey a good lawyer.
Dabi una wo se
oye me offer.
Nti wo ka bia mana kan kama obi ehu. Oh so ye ka MPP lawyer.
Dia simusunwa ba.
Onye obi a onimu mra. Obi onim judge. Enti na da bia me say kohwe Anas Aremeyaw Anas case na wo de betu dwemu a ma judge fo bi ho kire omo no. Na hwe chambers ana cases ni free. So won ko Akufo Addo chambers wo wa.
Wakasa o.
Frank Davis oye lawyer. Tie na no ne kasa. Ya onu ne akwai ya oye special prosecutor Kise Jaben woni nanya a whole law lecturer onu wa kire nkonfo ade wo ba be dran ma wo kwa fa cement paper wa tro so say anu ti Ken Ofori Atta yare eka yo mo penso akode be court na judge bi enso onu so say bi na dey that former edidi agro no onu so am judgment
ponche judges no
because waje ponche waje demude edru baby na lawyer for Akufo Addo use om no da main back mu watoto the Ghana sika to main back e dia ma no di tim enso busa de brofa won timi nka brofo mpo
what evidence
subject verb agreement people cho me obusa me evidence wa ha makobu din o
me yo kan na mayi me ho afiri mo
yo enti ma me busa me evidence ne dia doso because ye ni mo akoro lampokra no muntimi nto omunya sika wo hikoto main back no Gary oye lawyer Gabby asate darko woye lawyer ni Asante Bediatuo Kofi Asante Bediatuo ya afo no woye lawyer ni musa se wono kwa wako ye friend say first degree kwa wakura bi da odi be ye lawyer utimi do papa certificate e kwa ye lawyer
no you don't have
that in America say opa musa bi da say no
me the station me the me ho free
onsu me say oni say be there
oda he no ba be
me say oni first degree e tie ye den no be ye lawyer ne papa wie Legon 1979 or the certificate ni call New York University almost say hey 17-year-old boy having an LLB certificate then you must be a juniors they awarded him Kofi Asante Bediatuo they awarded him
many evidence
etino ye kase MPP lawyer ni a wa bon che kro hwe obi a lawyer ni mu a ye ka energy sector levy afraid you say e levy because he need the energy na dim we afenyo enso ye lawyer ni eti na me catch say Ghana Bar Association no e wo so omugu no ana say NDC for omonti omonso Bar Association
me ba na ye dey drinking
e ye chop bar e ye ensa bar e ye bar omukko
twabi Ghana Journalists Association e me journalist
mu dey say something na repeal law no omudi ba constitution ni enu ti na omudi dwe wo yen so no una nsi atokonu asemba ye lawyer for mutimi si agina ye mukosi agina ye wi anu masa akoda ama no etimi dia me friend say eye konkonte choba na omoye mesre omo say ye say baby e minor dru no ye di nimdie ni nyansa pe na eye reset no enti say wo feel say o man no wuntimi nka nyansa say momu a se sawnu ma na kotogo togo for kra si omo nyew ebi a oje so ko Azerbaijan ho baby ana say at best epono na da ho no nkohye no se se ye di nyansa pe ne kasa ogana uni nyansa ka wanu tum
se mo kasa
onya lawyer papa ka wanu tum e ko gina ho no na search warrant kwa wuni ma de kro we wa lawyer ni
search warrant won pass
asefua we lawyer e wo kumasi tu ni ho ai me lawyer
we MP ka for pankro no
MP fui
that's it
we lawyer MP fui
okay FUI
capital F capital U capital I
Fui
with an exclamation mark
Fui
MP Fui.
Thank you.
At least I free bay.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.